Can LLC names be duplicated? No, states do not allow two LLCs to have identical names. But rules vary on how unique the name must be. Most states require your LLC name to be distinguishable from existing businesses in their records, meaning even small differences like adding incorporated or LLC usually don't make it unique enough. For example, if Sunrise Coffee LLC already exists in your state, you likely won't be able to register Sunrise Coffee Company LLC. However, you might be able to register Sunrise Roasters LLC if it's different enough in wording and avoids confusion. It's always best to run a name search through your state's database before filing. If your preferred name is taken, you'll need to choose a variation or create a new name altogether. Trademark law can also prevent duplication, even across state lines. Zen Business can run a name availability check and reserve your LLC name quickly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.